Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is AMAKA, and in this video I will show you guys my very simple routine. Okay, very simple wash day routine. Alright, so let's start up this video. I'm just going to drench my hair with water. My hair is low porosity. As you can see, it takes a while before the water really gets into my scalp, and yeah, so I have to do this gradually to allow my hair really to get drenched. Okay. Alright, for cleansing, I'm just going to use the Shea African Black Soap shampoo. And you guys, it doesn't really matter about the product you use, just get one that does the job, one that cleanses your scalp, and one that you love and is affordable in your area. So I'm just using this. I'm going to shampoo my hair twice. My hair is very dirty. I take full wash my hair every 2 to 3 weeks, and yeah, okay. So after that, I'm just going to rinse off my hair. I repeat the shampoo routine again. So one thing that I'm doing differently on this wash day is to incorporate an apple cider rinse into my hair. Alright guys, this is the key. This is the sweetest thing that your scalp will love. Okay, all I do is just to eyeball it. I use 3 parts of apple cider vinegar, yes, with the mother, and then added 1 part of water, and I mix that all up, and then I allowed my hair to just absorb it. Okay, I allowed it to just soak right through my strands. Your scalp will love this, guys. Try it out. So after that, I'm just going to go in with my deep conditioner. I've also skipped using regular conditioners, and I use just deep conditioning marks. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Deep Conditioning Marks. Okay, so I'm going to use my fingers to finger the tangle, and you can also use a comb and detangle your hair. So once I'm done, I'm going to put my hair in 4 parts. Yeah, I learned this from the chick natural. She's on YouTube. That way I get to stretch out my hair, and yeah, that basically starts the stretching process from the shower. Okay. So I'm going to use a plastic bag here. Yeah, good old plastic bags. And then just allow some heat to get trapped into my hair for at least 10 minutes while I wash my body. All I did here was just to oil my scalp. I'm using a regular oil, guys. You can use any oil, okay? And then I just oiled my scalp, and then I dried down the roots of my hair, just not to have my hair soaking wet or dripping wet. I just dried down the roots and still allowed it to air dry. So this was I recorded this video on a Sunday, and I was rushing off to church, so I just had to tie my hair down with a scarf, look cute, and then off to church. Many hours later, I went to the salon, and then it's a final result, guys. Look at my hair, all clean and beautiful and cornrowed. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.